Sudoku. So, yeah, I have done a lot of Sudoku with my grandparents, especially my grandfather, and this reminds me of my grandfather as well. I miss him a lot, so I really wanted to do Sudoku, and I got this newspaper from the department, and I'm going to solve it now. Sorry, Ola. As Robert Frost clearly mentioned in his poetry, and miles to go before I sleep. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. I feel like a completely different person when I am amongst the nature. I don't know why, but I feel like I should keep watching into the trees and I want to vanish in between the trees somewhere. I will hide from the entire world in between the trees. That's what I feel. Hello everyone. I am sitting here. I have taken a leave today because I'm not feeling well and my BP is low. I didn't take a leave when I was having my stomach was upset and I was completely dehydrated. But today it seems that I cannot catch the bus and the entire mundane routine and be able to follow that. That's the reason why I thought I should take a leave, at least one leave. I needed this leave for this entire month. And in that leave, I'm going to plan out and study as much as possible because it does not require me to move here and there. My legs are paining. Of course, I'm having periods, and yeah, so I can just sit here, relax, and study as much as possible. And whenever I don't feel like studying anymore, I feel tired, I go to sleep. और फिर मैं नींद से उठती हूँ तो फिर मैं पढ़ने बैठ जाती हूँ. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I was planning the entire strategy of, covering the syllabus in such a way that I'll be able to prepare um, for upcoming exams and, PSC levels हो, SSB levels हो. इस तरीके से strategize करके पढ़ना है कि I'll almost cover everything. So yeah, I'm planning all to do that. And let's just don't waste much time and start doing it.
department to take the class. I woke up today by 5:30, and my class was at 7:30 a.m. It takes me 1 hour to commute from my home to the workplace. So yeah, it's a long day though, and I feel good. ऐसा नहीं है, थोड़ा सा tired लग रहा है, लेकिन I feel good that I'm here, and right now because I have so much of time left, I want to study. I'll be studying right now, and then I'll be doing something else. Apart from that, maybe I'll go and have tea, or पता नहीं, मैम को आने दो. One more colleague is yet to come, and I'm waiting for her, and then we'll go together to have chai or coffee or something like that. So yeah, she's a companion to me as of now, and we are, कभी कभी मिलके बाहर खाने जाते हैं, कभी कभी मिलके ऐसे चाय वाय पीने जाते रहते हैं. So yeah, let's study. We are out on a long drive today. Out of nowhere we decided it's 9:24. It's like 9:30 बज गए हैं, and somehow the weather is really nice, so we decided to go out. We have no plans as such, but yeah,